Turahoya Ruto na Gachagua mahote kuruta wira na thayu. Ngai amateithie ingerere gatagati. Uhoro uyu wa bara kana wa kugayukana. Uthire Jehova tondu kwina ngoma ni ingereire bururi uyu na arenda kunina na tutingienda uguo. Turathaitha Ruto ni uyu uria twagwikiire. Mount Kenya guothe twapaintire yero ni undu wa wendo uria twari naguo waku. Na ndearirikana wega muno Ruto riria mwari na Uhuru ni twaiguaga ruo ngoro muno tukiona Uhuru witu agikuhura na ate ni twaguthurire mwe nake na tugicoka tukinyitwo ni ruo ruu tukipaint Mount Kenya yeru. Ririkana ate na ithue ni kuigua twaiguaga ruo riria mwana witu akuhuraga president tukaigua ruo ruu na ruo no ruo twina ruo ihinda riri ni undu wa kuhura nake Gachagua. Uririkane twakuiguireire tha tukaiguaga ruo ngoro ni undu waku. Tukaiguaga ate Uhuru tutingemuigua akageria gutwariria na Gikuyu tukaga kumuigua. Twarega kumuigua tondu ni tuona giko kiria aragwika na tondu ithue turi Gikuyu tutire ukabira ri ruo ruu ni ruo rwatumire tukihura Mount Kenya yothe tukipaint yero nigetha tuonie ate ithue tutire ukabira na tutingienda mundu uraiguithio uri ungi ruo ngoro. Riu thaa ici no iguithetie Gachagua witu ruo ruingi muno ngoro. Ririkana ona cokere history yo yaku na Uhuru nigetha uriganirwo no coke hoye Ngai wire Ngai urora ako kwina andu aria advice aku marako advice uru ko Gachagua. Uririkane ati Gachagua amucagurire tondu no amenyaga ogitina o mbere biu no kimenya ati no gakorwo munini waku. Ne kwari na mundu gwitwo Ikindiki na ari acagurwa tuika munini wa president no we ngoro yaku no ariithio ni Ngai ugicagura Gachagua. Ona thaici ni ndauga Ngai akwaririe ngoro yaku ucokie thayu thiini wa tongoria munyitane na Gachagua uingire parliament iyo nigetha ma MP aitu ona aruti othe a wira a thirikari macoke raini. Koguo ni ndirenda kwira president bara eno ambikite ya kuhura Gachagua kana kurwa na Gachagua tondu ona angikorwo ndararia direct ni kuronania wega ati bara eno arongoreirie mundu gwitwo Gachagua ndiririkia wega. Riu ni turenda kuria president mundu gwitwo Gachagua twamuthurire na muri inyueri na mugithurwo ni akenya na wendo. Riu ni turenda kwira mundu gwitwo president bara eno ndiratukenia na bara eno ni turona njira iri irathie ndiririkia wega tondu riu kungikinya ati ni Mount Kenya ni atua gwaturanio maita meri ithue na ithue ni tukuona handu haha tari kuninwo turaninwo tondu hindi ria andu mambiriria gwathukanio mundu na muru wa nyina mundu na mwari wa nyina makeragwa ndukaririe muru wa nyina uyu ti wanyu uyu wari wanyu uyu ndari wanyu. Riu handu hau tutirona hagiuka wega na ithue ni tuwi wega ati president uguo aroiga ati Gachagua ndararuta wira we mwenyewe ni wewe thurire Gachagua na guoko gwake. Ithue ni tuwi wega andu a Kenya kwanza ona ngoro tutiari ayo ni tuwi ati president abunge a Mount Kenya na aria angi othe mathurite mundu gwitwo Kithure Kindiki na makiuga Kindiki niwe mwega na wira wa deputy president no gukiroka gukia president ni athurite mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na akiuga niwe ekwenda. Riu koguo riria gucoka kwira andu a Mount Kenya mathukaneri oige ni arenda Kindiki kai Kindiki arageire na kigiki. Riu ningi onake mundu gwitwo Kindiki ni muthuri mwekwindiriku na ni turona mundu gwitwo Kindiki onake agereirwo ni kwaria oige tondu ni ni muthuri muhoreri na ni muthuri wekindirite atige gutuika kihato ya gucathura andu aria angi ere abunge meherie ritwa riake tunwa-ini twao tondu ni muthuri wendete thayu na ndendete mbara. Kimani wa Ichungwah ni ndagwita ni uranjigua githe nduri mwana wa Mount Kenya warokeirwo thinacara we no muthi uyu ni woragiria Mount Kenya guikarike. Umuthi uyu muri atongoria a Mount Kenya ni inyu mwambikite bara ya kuhura mundu gwitwo Gachagua twamwira atiriri inyu hurai Gachagua na mumurumie muno no mumenye atiriri rucio rwanyu ri rwe moko-ini ma aikia akura na bara yo murambika Mount Kenya mukagiria Gachagua rute wira wona anengerwo miradi ndangihota kuruta wira ni undu wanyu ni anengerirwo njohi arwe nayo mwe ni werani na ciana citu mukagiria Gachagua arute wira
muri atongoria a Mount Kenya ati murathiururuka Kenya mukihuraga mundu gwitwo Gachagua ndenda kumwita irimu muthenya wa muthi na ndimuria atiriri ni muri muona andu acia angi makirua una andu a ODM riria marerirwo kuhana gutari ri ni muiguite makirua inyuĩ turenda muruwe muno no turenda kumwira atiriri atongoria Mount Kenya bara eno murenda kwambika ndirihoreka kwaria aria twethurire inyuĩ mugarie gucaria thayo muno tondu ithuĩ bara yoka ground inyuĩ mukwaria na kou mugatuhukaga mĩario tari na kurĩrĩ mukarumaga mundu gwitwo Gachagua na rĩrĩa mũrarua mundu gwitwo Gachagua mumenye nĩ bara murambika na impeachment iyo murageria kuga nĩ impeachment gutire kundu ĩrĩthii we nĩ turenda president arivoku horo wa impeachment na tutikwenda kuigua turenda Kenya itu ithie na mbere atumia itu mathie na mbere na nĩ turenda tondu ona hindi wengi andu nĩ mamenanaga ona ithuĩ gũkũ ground nĩ tumenanaga na tutirutanaga nja president agie na mutugo wa gwĩtaga mundu gwitwo Gachagua riria mamenana ni amwete amucokie na nyumba ni amurute nguo ciothe amuhure arikia kumuhura acoke amwire akira nguo umothi ukarute wira waku na tondu no tuiguite Gachagua mwenyewe ndari na uru na ni arageria guthaithia president na president ni aremete no ithuĩ tauga atiri twita atongoria Mount Kenya Gachagua ndari kundu arathie ni ithuĩ twamuthurire na ni mwana witu Gachagua witu
Although Kenya has made considerable progress in reducing maternal and under-5 mortality, challenges such as inadequate funding and limited capacity to provide essential services persist. We recognize that only a multi-sectoral approach, including healthcare, education, and community support, can accelerate mortality reduction. Towards this end, it is therefore essential to increase investment, enhance collaboration, and focus on primary healthcare to scale up key interventions like skilled birth attendants, vaccinations, and improved nutrition. Recognizing that only urgent collective action can save millions of lives by 2030, we have pledged to enhance partnerships and establish a dedicated fund for maternal and child health. This fund will help advance progress towards SDGs by improving service delivery and expanding access to essential care. From an economic perspective, keeping people healthy is immensely beneficial. Studies show that every dollar invested in maternal and child health yields $9 in returns through improved health and productivity. Any annual investment of $1.5 billion could save 35 million lives by 2030 and generate $100 billion in productivity and healthcare savings. We have a singular opportunity to escalate our contributions to global health initiatives and significantly enhance their impact by supporting Africa Health Strategy and CAMA campaign, that's campaign on accelerated reduction of maternal, newborn, and child mortality in Africa as an ideal starting point.
Your Excellencies, last year, you rightly noted that if we secure the health of child and women, we will improve the health of all humanity. Yet, we are far from achieving the Sustainable Development Goal of reducing maternal deaths for 70%, 100,000 by 2030. Alarmingly, about 800 women die daily from preventable causes related to pregnancy and childbirth around the world. This situation compels us to act decisively and prioritize a better future for every child. Excellencies and dear delegates, this meeting is important to agree on actionable steps to accelerate progress in women, children, and adolescents' health. Effective leadership is essential to strengthen health sectors and expand access to primary care. Long-term sustainable funding is critical. Every dollar or cents invested in health yields substantial societal dividends. Additionally, sharing best practice and focusing on data analysis will enhance our collective efforts.